Hello again, 8th grade. In this video, I am going to be working through your IXL practice of section O.11. I mentioned in my last video, I would do that for you guys. This is over exterior angle theorem. So if we go to IXL, I've already opened up O.11, which is, again, exterior angle theorem. We know that to find the measure of the exterior angle, we can add together the opposite interior angles, and it is that's what it is. So we just need to set it up. We know we're going to call measure of angle 1 x. So x is equal to 69 plus 68. I wrote it this way just so I don't have to write it multiple times. 9 plus 8 is 17. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So the measure of angle 1, or as I called it, x, should be 137. Awesome. We'll do another one. So again, exterior angle is equal to the total of the opposite interior angles. So if we set it up, we'll call it x again. Oops, I didn't click draw. X is equal to 69 plus 58. 9 plus 8 is 17. 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. X is equal to 127. We called the measure of angle 1x just to be easier to write out. Let's type in our 127. And boom. All right, so that is level 1. I'm going to bump it up to level 2. I'll do a couple in there as well. So for this one, it gives us the measure of the exterior angle and one of the interior angles. So we need to solve for that other interior angle. We're going to again call that x. I just want to change the color. We're going to again call that x. So the way we'd set it up this time is we know that 105 is equal to x plus 40. We need to get that x by itself, so let's subtract 40 from both sides, because what you do to one, you have to do to the other. That's 0, so that's x. 5 minus 0 is 5. Can't do 0 minus 4. That crosses out. 10 minus 4 is 6. X is equal to 65. Let's plug that in. Boom. Let's do another one. This time it gives us our variable, we're looking for the measure of this exterior angle. These are its two interior opposites, so we just have to add them together. We're going to call this x again, just for writing it down purposes. 116 plus 33. So if we did that, 116 plus 33. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. Our measure of angle 1, or as I called it, x, should be 149. Let's check it out. And we got it. We'll bump it up another level. I have a teacher account, that's why it lets me do that. So now it's a little more complex. We have multiple variables and multiple angle measurements. It wants to know what u is. So we know that if we take the exterior, it is equal to the two interior that are opposite added together. So we have u plus 26 is equal to u minus 43 plus u minus 50. Sorry, I'm in that. It's a little messy. So we know that u plus 26 is equal to 2u, and then negative 43 minus 50 would be negative 93. So we have u plus 26 is equal to 2u minus 43. Let's get rid of this u, so we subtract what we do to one side, we have to the other. So we have 26, I don't want to write that low. We have 26 is equal to u minus 93. Now we just have to get that u by itself. We're going to add 93. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. U is equal to 119. Let's check it out. 119. And I'll do one more like that. It wants to know what the value of V is. So we know that V plus 34 is equal to V plus V minus 41. So we have V is equal to 2V minus 41. Or sorry, V plus 34 is equal to 2V minus 41. We can subtract a V. We know that that would turn it into 34 is equal to V minus 41. Now we want to get that V by itself, so we'll add 41 to both sides. 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, so V is equal to 75. Let's fill in that little box down here. We said it was 75. And that's correct. I think there might be another level, I'm not sure. Let me see. I'm in the challenge zone. So it just may not be an even number, or not an even number. It might not be a whole number, it might have a decimal. I'll do one of these. So we know that z plus 50 is equal to 2z plus 10 plus z plus 20. So z plus 50 is equal to 3z plus 30. We need to get that z gone. What we do to one side, we do to the other. So we have 50 equals 2z plus 30. Now we need to get rid of that 30, so we'll subtract. So 20 equals 2z. Well, we need to get the z by itself, so we have to divide by 2. What you do to one side, you do to the other. 20 divided by 2 is 10, so z equals 10. Let's check it out. All right, so if you guys need any help, if you want help step-by-step through this, or if you're stuck on a problem, just reach out to me. I should be able to get back to you shortly and help you solve your problems. Have a good rest of your day.